Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wells Fargo online banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of managing your accounts, paying bills, and transferring funds online. First, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are a new user, you can enroll in online banking by clicking on the Enroll Now button and following the prompts to create a username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see an overview of your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can click on each account to view the account details, including the current balance, transaction history, and any pending transactions. To pay a bill, click on the Pay Bills tab and select the account you want to use to make the payment. Enter the payee information, including the payee name, address, and account number. You can also set up recurring payments for regular bills, such as your mortgage or car loan. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer Funds tab and select the account you want to transfer from in the account you want to transfer to. Enter the transfer amount and the transfer date, and confirm the transaction. You can also use Wells Fargo online banking to view and print statements, order checks, and set up account alerts. Account alerts can notify you when a transaction is made, when a bill is due, or when your account balance falls below a certain amount. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to log out of your account when you are finished and keep your username and password confidential. You should also monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps and using Wells Fargo online banking, you can easily manage your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds from the comfort of your own home. Remember to always keep your account information confidential and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions.